More than 220,000 people are without power after heavy rains and high winds slammed Northern California. The storm brought rainfall of more than an inch an hour in San Francisco and winds gusts of 140 mph 225 km/h in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Flooding has already closed two major motorways in the area, delayed public transport, canceled 240 flights and shut ferry services. The rain is much needed in the drought-hit state, but mudslides are a concern. Power cuts were widespread, from the suburban area south of San Francisco to Humboldt, near the Oregon border. It's the two-pronged punch. It's wind and rain, National Weather Service forecaster Diana Henderson said. Once the ground gets saturated and the winds are howling, there's a bigger chance of trees going down on power lines. There were multiple vehicle accidents but no serious injuries. Rain and floods also led to rare weather-related school closures for students in San Francisco, Oakland, Berkeley, and Santa Cruz County. Some 240 flights at San Francisco's airport were canceled and delays averaged 2 hours, said a spokesman. In Santa Cruz, a young child was trapped after an 84-24 tree fell on his arm and shoulder. Rescuers with chainsaws cut it apart and the student was taken to hospital in a good. In the small town of Healdsburg, cars were stopped in heavily flooded streets